Ensure unit is fully cleaned after each use and before storing. Ensure the unit is running for easy dispensing. Stop the current program. Press the rinse button. Pour water into the vessel and dispense to clear any remaining frozen drink. Note: add water to the unit until the evaporator is covered. If desired, add 1 to 2 drops of soap. Wait 1 minute for the program to rinse the unit. Slowly dispense the water from the unit. Any excess liquid or frozen drink should be dispensed prior to removing the vessel. Stop program by pressing the rinse button again. Press the power button to turn the unit off. Unlock the bail handle by pulling forward and remove the vessel by gently pulling it off the unit. Set aside. Slide the auger off the evaporator. Set aside. Wipe down the evaporator with a sanitized or warm, damp cloth. Slide the condensation catch out of the unit. Set aside. Drip tray cover can be removed for easy cleaning and stored on the side of the unit. All parts except the motor base and evaporator are dishwasher safe, but should not be cleaned with a heated dry cycle. Wipe down the motor base and evaporator with a sanitized or warm, damp cloth. Allow all parts to dry thoroughly before reassembling and/or storing the unit. Looking for more recipe inspiration or have more questions? Visit ninjakitchen.com to find everything you're looking for.